What's going on, you guys, and welcome on Bloody Good. Today we are gonna make the Philadelphia Cheesesteak Classic Sandwich. For that you need a hoagie roll, handmade, mayonnaise, handmade too, with a hot fire sauce. For the cheese, emmental and smoked cheese, 1 yellow onion, and approximately 120 grams of entrecote. Just cut some thin stripes of meat, not too thin too, just thin enough. Same for the onion, just cut some thin slices of onion. Start to prepare every ingredients, cut your meat, cut your onions, then cut your cheese. Generosity with cheese, huh? Generosity, it's the good word. This one is a smoke finish cheese, but anyway, you have many smoked cheese from everywhere around the world, so just personally I love to add it. For the sauce, classic to be hot, handmade mayonnaise with few drop of this insanely hot sauce. It will twist your Philadelphia cheesesteak for something really well. Butter, obviously, butter is life. Everything is better with butter. Let's gently caramelize the onion. Not too much, we want it soft. We want those onions soft, but in the same time still not too caramelized, we don't want it to melt in the mouth. We want to feel those onions in the mouth. Prepare the bread. More butter, kosher salt, fresh pepper. It's important to don't add your pepper too early, especially if you grind it, because the taste of the pepper leaves very fast with the heat. A little bit of water and cover your pan. Like this, the steam will melt faster your cheese. Then add the sauce in your bread, in your fabulous hoagie roll. Hoagie? Anyway, you know what I mean. Add your onion. Then the best part, steak and cheese. And now it's ready to die for eat it. So subscribe and see you soon.